Hello all and welcome to another casting video. Yes, finally, more casting. This project is part of a bigger project that I'm doing in collaboration with one of my favorite crafting channels, namely Odin Makes. Take it away, Odin.
Hello, I'm Odin, and today I'm not making anything. I'm making a Ghostbusters Proton pack on the live streams over my channel, but today, right here, right now, Ralph Mourik is going to help me by making some aluminum parts for the Proton pack.
So Odin sent me over a 3D file so I could print the V-hook, and I tend to usually make more than I need of something, so I made two when I actually only need one, but it's a good thing because while taking this off the build plate, it broke. So yeah, good thing I got one that actually came off good and is actually in perfect condition. Now this is a V-hook, so basically one end you attach to the proton pack, the other end you attach to the wand, and then you can hang up the wand on the proton pack. Any Ghostbusters fans will know what I'm talking about. Maybe I'll add in a little animation or video.
Got your stick. Oh!
I don't really know what these slots are for, but I guess you could put neodymium magnets in there if you stick them in with some super glue, and then you can have it lock even tighter. Might be something to look into. Anyway, let's mold these up. That's in there good. Surgical precision. That's one side. Now, how to go about this one? I'll just mold it up the same way as the other one and ignore the undercut and see what comes out. Here's something I print for another project, but could probably use this here. Sure, why not? There, got a nice little channel carved already. That saves a bit of work. Might need something stronger. Not bad, I guess. Right. Smelt some metal. During my work, I've collected a lot of these handles from either microwaves or ovens or other appliances that I repair during work, and sometimes a door had to be replaced, and the new door came with a new handle, so I took off the old handle. And these are all aluminium, and this is all some pretty strong. Come on, these still have some screws in them. This is all some pretty strong machined aluminium, so let's use this stuff. There we go. We are set at 1080. That's a bit high. Aluminium melts at 660 Celsius. So I'd say 780 would be way more than enough. Let's fill this with a couple of pieces. These are all solid, actually. The other ones are... Careful, put that in there. The other are hollow bits. A couple more solid bits. Let's see. Don't think there's actually that much that I can fit in here. Oh, well, these are all the solid bits. So let's wait until that is molten and add the rest. There we go. And now we wait a lot. Currently preheating my cast iron ingot molds for if I have any leftovers. Let's have a look, see if the aluminium has molten yet. I think it has, because it has been at max temperature for a while now. Let's see what we got. Yes. Let's see if I can get this in here. That's enough for now. Yes, that looks good. Time to pour. Here we go. And a little blob. Of course. Nice little blob. And a nice steamy hot ingot. Let's see how these came out. Smoking. Let's see what we got. Which one is this? All right. Looks promising. And again, looks promising. See what we got here. I'd say that this looks successful. The holes can be drilled out eventually later, but this looks good. I'd say that this would qualify as a successful casting. So far, this is pretty good. That's slow AF. Hold on. All done. Nice and smooth fit, almost completely flush, nicely brushed. Not bad for a first try. I'll make some more, and when they're all done, I'll send them over. And all 4 are done. Now these are all handmade and hand sanded, so they're not exactly the same. So not every piece will slot exactly in all the other ones. So I managed to use my little number stamps to put numbers in there for each corresponding piece. So everything will fit in with the same numbers correctly. Makes it a bit easier if you get everything mixed up. And I have a couple of ingots left and a couple of sprues. Those will be for a future project. So this was a cool project. I'm going to send these over to Odin. Let's see what Odin thinks about these.
Individually numbered, hand cast, hand finished, filed, cast in aluminum. This is way better than I ever expected.
If you came over from Odin Makes, then welcome in. There will be more of this stuff. My props are usually made out of metal, so something completely different from Odin. Hope you liked what you saw. Hope you come back. If you don't know Odin Makes yet, and you're one of my either scrapping or metal casting connections, check out Odin Makes. Link will be in the description. So if you want to see Odin unbox these during a live stream, check out the link in the description. So thank you all for watching, and see you on the next one.
Now I know there's going to be lots of different ways that you can make a V-hook to be able to hang up the neutrino wand of your proton pack, but this is how Ralph makes.